Ever wished you could effortlessly spread important news or awesome promos to everyone in your agency contacts? Let's dive right into how to share messages within Aisensy, making communication a breeze. First, navigate to your inbox or the specific chat where the message you want to share is located. Find the exact message you want to share. Whether it's a text update, an image, or even a document now, hover your mouse over the message. You should see a 3-dot menu icon appear either on the top right or bottom right corner of the message. Click on that icon. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option labeled Forward or Share. Click on it. A window will appear showing you a list of your contacts and groups within Aisensy. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific people or groups you want to share the message with. Select the contacts or groups you want to send the message to by clicking on their names. You'll likely see a check mark or some other visual indication to confirm your selection. Once you've chosen all your recipients, look for the Share or Send button, usually at the bottom of the window. Click it, and that's it. The message is now successfully shared with your chosen contacts or groups. You should see confirmation in the chat windows of those recipients. Now you know how to quickly share messages in Aisensy. For more Aisensy tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.